In this video, I'm going to show you how you can record your PC screen using Microsoft PowerPoint. Hi, my name is David, and if this is your first time watching my video tutorials and you get any value and you're not yet subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. So as I've mentioned, we're going to be recording our screen using Microsoft PowerPoint. So I have a Microsoft PowerPoint file open. It's a blank file, and you need to click on Insert so that you can begin the process to create the screen recording. Now, once you click on that, go to the extreme end on your right and click on Screen Recording. This is going to minimize everything out, and you'll get this particular display. You have the options to record, pause, select an area, audio, and also have the mouse pointer available. So as I've mentioned, it's a very easy process and really depends on what you have. So if you just select an area and then hold the left click and drag it to the section where you want to record, then you let go. You can just start on record, but if you don't want that, you can just click on select area again, and then I want to select the whole screen to record the whole screen, that is. And once I'm satisfied with what I have, I'll just click on record, and I'm just going to take you through a basic screen recording. If you want to stop, Windows key, Shift plus Q. Now, it's really simple, and right now you're watching the live feed. We can just open the PowerPoint file that we have, and I take you through different things here and there. Click on a design. I'll check the slide size. Widescreen is always recommended, and then change the design slide. So you can just change that to just that blue and a ribbon somewhere. Minimize that. Let's get it out of the way. Let's go to maybe a folder. Let's just click on that. And we've got my folder here opening up. We can just check out some few files. Let's say you wanted to show somebody something. Let's see, downloads. You wanted to show them how to access the downloads folder, what's inside, what's not inside. So basically it's a pretty simple process, and as you've seen, you can record the audio and you can also record the mouse movement, so everybody will be following you. Once you're satisfied, Windows Shift Q, or just stop it from the ribbon above. So yeah, once you do that, it imports directly into the blank slide that you have. So there is our video, and for the purposes of this video, I can just play it, and there we go. So you can see the step-by-step screencast that I was doing, how to do the design of the PowerPoint slide, checking the slide size, ensuring it is in widescreen, and then I changed the design. So it's a step-by-step process when you're doing this, so you can show people what you're seeing, or what you see is what you get. And then clicked on a folder to open up a folder, and there we go. Everything is as it is. So it's a really powerful screen recording application right inside Microsoft PowerPoint, and this is available for PowerPoint 2013, 2016, 2019 and Office 365 PowerPoints. So you're covered if you're using any of those. So basically I'm done with that. Just close it out and then go bring up the ribbon to close out the particular recording. So yeah, there we go. Stop. So that's the end of it. So what can you do with this particular installation? You can go to the playback selection, and let's say maybe you want to remove the section where you see me closing or stopping the recording. Just move back slightly. Let's say we stop somewhere. Let's say there. Let's remove some few folders, and then we can trim the initial section a little bit. It would be awesome if you could trim something or a mistake we did in between. Just click OK once you're satisfied, and the video is going to be shortened in your slide. So it's a shorter video that we have here, and basically it's almost done. You can have it in your slide, or if you want to export it, just click on File so that you can export it as a standalone video, and click on Export, and then click on Create a Video. Now once you click on Create a Video, you want the best resolution possible. So the presentation quality, you should work on the best presentation quality, 1920 by 1080, and then click on Create Video. So this is going to prompt you for a location where you can save the particular file, and I'll just save it in the document section. Just leave it as presentation 2.mp4 and click on save. And it's going to take a bit of time once you're doing this. It really depends on the length of your video, the resources that you have. It may take a long or a short time. So potentially, if you have a very long video, it might take a while to complete. So there we go. We're going to check on the progress bar at the bottom to see how fast or how slow it's going, so that you can decide whether you'll take a hike or something. And it's almost done, and it's done. So the video, our screen recording, has been saved in our documents folder, or the folder that you selected. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to navigate to the documents folder so that we can review the quality and also maybe see if yes, has this particular file exported where we wanted it to export, and is it in the quality that we want it to be. So let's go to the documents folder, documents, and the video is right there, and I can just double click on it and it's going to play with VLC media player. So let me just minimize this, and it's going to automatically start playing, and I can just remove the audio, and there is the presentation. There we go. Just the steps that I took, so that as I was showing you how you can screen record using Microsoft PowerPoint on PC. Change the slide dimensions, widescreen, and then choose a design that will work well maybe with this particular project that I'm working on. Satisfied, minimized, and since this is an edited file, we'll notice that where it ends at the folder section, it is the section where I edited to. So I just clicked up to there and edited to remain only that section without opening any folder. So yeah, that's how it works. It's restarted again. So we can just stop it, and we can close out that. And this is basically how you can record your screen using Microsoft PowerPoint in Windows. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Like the video, share it with your friends, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.